Oh my god. Wow guys, so these steps are very green and slippy. All these pipes, oh my god, I never see this at a waterfall before. So we're gonna have to get wet. Direction, and I followed the pipes and walked down that way. That way leads to nowhere. Wow. Good afternoon from Bali, Indonesia. So I'm here in the Tegalalang Gianyar Regency, and I'm going to show you a waterfall called Yeh Pikat waterfall. It's a little bit strange, this one, because we're just in the middle of the street. And then we've just got a little entrance down the side of a local shop, and we're going to follow the track. So let's go and explore this waterfall. So this is the little shop here, and then we've got to walk down here. Whoa. Chickens. Wow. Chickens are going mad in a rubbish dump. Oh, we have pipes running all along here. Ooh. Wow, so this is a bit of a different waterfall. It looks as though nobody really comes here, haven't been asked for an entrance fee. So we'll just follow this track and see where it leads us to. Trees falling down over the track. Duck the head. And the track's only just about visible. Oh my god. Wow guys, so these steps are very green and slippy. Whew. And here the waterfall now. And look at this. So it doesn't look as though anybody's coming here to visit this waterfall. The track's covered in leaves, it's green, it's slippy, but I want to go and see it anyway. I've never seen this waterfall before myself, so I'm visiting here for the first time, so we'll experience it together. Look at the steps, oh, they're so green. Wow, the bamboo is caved in over the track. All these pipes, oh my god, I never see this at a waterfall before. And this way you have a canyon. So I think we're that way. A waterfall 100 metres. A little temple here. Spring. So we're gonna have to get wet. Wow. Okay guys, so I have actually just walked down that way. I've come from that direction and I've followed the pipes and walked down that way. That way leads to nowhere. I walked a few hundred meters, it just keeps going on and on and on. And I was wondering, because I've seen the sign back there, where is this waterfall? And then I finally gave in and decided to walk back. As I was walking back, I saw there's a branch off here to the right, so I've come from that direction, and then if you branch off to the right up there, that's where the waterfall is. You can see there's no signs anywhere advising you that that's the case, but that's where the waterfall is. So should you come here, take the turning on the right when you get to this junction point. Don't follow the plastic pipes. So confusing. Many of these waterfalls in Bali, just so confusing. No signs anywhere. Easy place to get lost. So I know the waterfall's this way now. So I showed you the direction. You have to bear right, but there's no sign at the top telling you so. But the waterfall is up here. So we'll just make our way now. Look at the walls of this canyon. Wow. Ooh la la. Wow. What a journey that was. I've been the wrong way. I'm not showing you that on the video, but I actually took the left. It just keeps going and going and going and going through the canyon. So I've shown you there the way now. You have to branch right. They need to put a sign telling people, otherwise it's so confusing. But nonetheless, we're here now and it's so nice. So I'll just give you my thoughts on Yeh Pikat. What a journey. I've not shown you the journey that I took, that I got lost. I took the left direction following the pipes. However, I've shown you that if you should decide to come here, you take the right. They should put signs here showing you this, because otherwise you just leads you down and down and down into the canyon. I was just following the pipes and hoping they would lead me to somewhere. They led me to nowhere. Could have just kept walking and walking, but nonetheless enjoyed the journey. Not the most amazing of Bali waterfalls, but nonetheless glad to come here, glad to experience it. It's another waterfall in my Bali waterfalls list. You decide whether you want to come here. All in all, I've enjoyed visiting this place. As you can see, I'm all alone. There's no fee, no entrance fee to this waterfall. So if you want a waterfall all to yourself, and you just want to come and have some relaxing time, this might be a waterfall for you. Yeh Pikat. Hope this has been useful to you guys. I've enjoyed sharing this place with you, and I shall say bye for now. So I'm just back at the sign now, and as you can see there, as I've just shown you, it does say 100 meters turn right. However, it's not very clear, and I was on the opposite side here, so you can't really see the 100 meters turn right bit, so but I've shown you now. You go down there, you walk for 100 meters and then you turn right, so don't take the left and follow the pipes round.